Hi, and welcome back to Before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we are going to be making a strawberry refresher. Super excited about this drink. All we're going to do is use just simple ingredients, and we're just going to have a delicious refresher for the spring and summertime. So the ingredients we're going to have today is we're going to have 4 ounces of tea. I just brewed it. And then 4 ounces of lemonade. We're going to have some fresh strawberries here. And we're going to put all this inside of our blender and then pour it over some ice. So I got this strawberry here for our garnish. It's going to look so cute on the side. All right, so we're going to pour everything in here. So we're just going to start with the lemonade and then the tea. And then we're just going to throw our strawberries in here. And the reason why is because we want to make sure that we get all the deliciousness out of these strawberries. So we're going to go ahead and blend for about 20 seconds. All right, we are back from blending. And I just want to say that once you open this top, you're going to smell the delicious strawberry refresher. We're going to pour it in here, and the reason why is because I do want to strain it before we pour it on top of our ice. Just going to get my straw ready, and just going to use the strainer and get all this deliciousness. Ooh, yes. That looks so delicious. All right, now it's time for the taste test. Oh yeah, this is super duper delicious. Definitely good for like a barbecue. Anything that you're having for spring or summertime functions. Maybe it's like a luau. Oh, that's actually a good idea. If you all have a luau, invite me. I'll make the delicious drinks for you. Well, if you like Before 5, and I know you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.